So your cube looks like this. What you gonna do about it? Well, first you're gonna watch this video and subscribe to our channel. But to solve that cube, I'm gonna teach you a way. Now this way may involve a little cube abuse. I'm gonna like cube sticker abuse. Stickers will be a little peeled, cracked, chipped, whatever you call it. It'll probably be that. But at least it'll be solved. So what you do is you don't take out the center stickers, but you take out all the other stickers. So the corner and edge stickers, you take those out. So if you took out the orange sticker, then you put it on the orange side. And you take out the sticker that used to be there and put it on the side that that sticker's color is. And you keep doing that for the rest of the cube. And it'll be solved. Here you can see us doing it. Yeah, it's very simple. You can just see it right there. Take the sticker off, put it on the right side. Take the other sticker off, put it on the right side. And it works just like that. Your cube will be solved.